Okay, so while we're waiting for our dough, we're gonna make our pizza sauce. This is a very, very easy pizza sauce to make. You just need some tomatoes, some garlic, salt, and olive oil, and you do not cook this tomato sauce. So first thing I do is I take a jar of tomatoes and I just pour out all the extra water. You don't need it. You want this sauce to be pretty thick. That's typically what cooking does, is any overabundance of liquid would be reduced during the cooking process. But this is going to be a fresh tomato sauce. So I just pour all this stuff out and we start from there. That's good enough. There we go. Let's get rid of that. So let's get our tomatoes in. One thing you're going to need is a hand emulsifier. You could break this up by hand, which is kind of quite nuts because there's a lot of nice chunks and stuff. But I just take one of these and just get it to a nice consistency. If you've ever wanted to jar your own tomatoes, I'll put a link below to my full instructional video on how to do that. We got a long way till summer's even here before it's over, but at the end of the summer coming up, if you prep, you jar your own tomatoes, you'll have enough to last all winter, right into the spring. Okay, this is almost done. A couple big pinches of salt, just flaky sea salt. 2 is fine. Big glug of olive oil. That should be good. 2 cloves of garlic. That's it. This is the best pizza sauce you will ever use. I make this about, a couple hours before I make pizzas, but you can just literally make this on the fly, like right before you're starting to throw them into the oven. So, quick little taste test. Make sure we got the salt right. Perfect. That's the consistency you want. This is the easiest pizza sauce recipe and the best pizza sauce recipe you will ever encounter.